Hey guys, it's been a while, so we're finally back with the project. And I've replaced the coil packs, and I've replaced spark plugs. We're gonna be replacing the injectors today and coating them with N54 and everything. Yeah, let's go. First thing I'll be doing is disconnecting the battery, so let's go. As you can see, there's a debris there. Before I take off the injectors, I'm gonna vacuum that up. Little vacuum hose with my shop vac and just tape the edge. So let's go. The injectors have never been replaced. All OEM 01. The seals are leaking, dusty, dirty, so cleaned it up. So to clean these tip of injectors, I'm just using this carb cleaner, taking off the seals and then slowly putting the new seals in, and then one by one. And we need to write it down on a piece of paper and start coating it in a bit. Just setting in the seals for each one. Injector right here, 572226, 572226, and so on for each one, and we're gonna be needing it when we program to the ECU later. Finished putting the injectors in, and now I'm just gonna code them. So for the coding of the injectors, I just use Protool and K plus Decan, or you can also use MHD. Just plug it in the OBD2 and you should be able to code it on Protool here with this iPad. I already primed it, so let's see how it goes. First startup.
Wow, it's very nice.